Alright, right on time.
Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around 12 noon. When there is a threat of forecasting severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day. Without interfering with the threat, following tune-off will conclude this test.
The forecast for western
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.